Hi, welcome to the JennScents Aromaversity, where we raise the bar in education, experience, and leadership. There is education and then there is scent-ucation. Aromatherapy is a skilled trade. At the JennScents Aromaversity, we want to help you create your own destiny, your aromatic destiny. We want to help you create your own career path. So follow your nose to an aromatherapy certification here at the JennScents Aromaversity. We want to help you accelerate your knowledge, advance your skills, and develop your scentillect. We have advanced education for those who want to make a difference with everyone that is in their life. At the JennScents Aromaversity, we want to help shine a light on your aromatherapy skills. We want to deepen your skills to put that knowledge into action. Learn at your own pace. We have mentorship, hands-on experience, and authentic and evidence-based education. Take time to look inside yourself. Knowing who you are is one of the most beautiful gifts that you can receive, but also that you can share. Align your talents with what makes you happy. Love what you do. Be good at what you do. Be you. If your goals are to develop your scentillect and become proficient in scenterpretation, we invite you to join us here at the JennScents Aromaversity. Heighten your aromatherapy skills with our advanced aromatherapy training. Don't wait. The time will never be just right. Action is the foundational key to all success. At the JennScents Aromaversity, we offer Level 1 Holistic Aromatherapy, Level 2 Professional Aromatherapy, and Level 3 Clinical Aromatherapy certifications. Be an expert in the field of aromatherapy. Let us at the JennScents Aromaversity help you hone in on your skills and your talents. We have made it simple to get started. Go to JennScents.com right now and register for a free account. When you're ready, you will purchase the aromatherapy courses that you want to start with. Those will automatically be loaded into your account so you can start your courses and start your education immediately. Be bold, be brave, be you. Let us help you turn your aromatic dreams into a reality. I promise you this will be your greatest scent venture. Thank you so much for stopping by at the JennScents Aromaversity, and we hope to see you soon in one of our aromatic classes.